Now we will do subtraction. Okay. Addition you have already also done in class 7th also, children. So I just took one sum and I explained both the methods. Now we will come to subtraction. One sum and we will do both the methods. Now first of all, let us be very careful. Subtract, this is an expression, from this is another expression. Now let us see the expression. This expression is a trinomial having 1, 2 and 3 terms, whereas this expression is a 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms, so it's a multinomial. Okay. Now when we subtract, children, the usual mistake, the general mistake that children do is subtract this from this. Now whatever is after from should be written at the top. You have to subtract this from this, like subtract 15 from 60. So 60 minus 15. We don't write 15 minus 60 there. Okay, so when we are getting the sum, subtract this from this. So we subtract the second expression minus the first expression. Now first we will take the column method. In column method, the second expression should come at the top. Okay, from where we will be subtracting the first expression. Now 12xy minus 3yz minus 4zx plus 5xyz. Okay, and 8xy. Now xy below xy only. Yes, like terms have to be written one below the other here also. 4yz, so below 4yz, 3yz. Okay, 5zx, so it should come in this same column. Okay. Now when we subtract, in addition we have simply done like integers, yeah. But when we subtract, children, we change the sign of the lower expression. The expression which is the lower expression, we change the sign, like it was plus 8xy, so now it becomes minus 8xy. This was plus 4yz, this becomes minus 4yz, because we are subtracting. Yes, and this is minus 4zx, and this becomes plus, it was plus and becomes minus. I tell you why. When we subtract, suppose we subtract minus 4 minus 5. So what do we do? Minus 4, yes, it comes out, and minus, this will change the sign and come out because negative sign is sitting outside. So this becomes plus 5. So when we are subtracting two integers, then also we change the sign of the second one. Similarly, when we do the same thing we are doing with algebraic expressions. We are changing the sign, so this minus becomes plus. Okay, and minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1. Same way here, now 12, now this is not plus 8y, this is minus 8xy. 12xy minus 8xy becomes 4xy. Similarly, minus 3yz minus 4yz now. Minus 3 minus 4 is what? Both are negative. Going down 3 and then going more downstairs, then you get minus 7yz. Similarly, minus 4zx and minus 5. Both are negative. We add with the negative sign. This we have already, minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9zx. And here you don't have any term here, so this comes as it is. Clear? This is something you can 0, plus 0 or minus 0 becomes the same term. Clear? Now same thing when we do it in a horizontal manner. How do we write? We write, which expression should we write first? This minus this. Now see how we will write this expression. Yes, another method is horizontal method. In horizontal method, what do we do? Yes, we write this expression 12xy minus 3yz minus 4zx plus 5x. This should be written first, children. Clear? Because from this we have to subtract this expression. You cannot write this expression minus this expression when they are saying subtract this from this. Be careful, this is the general mistake that children are doing it. Minus 8xy plus 4yz plus 5zx. Now children, we know how to open the brackets. Okay, the first thing that we will do is we will open the bracket. Since nothing is there in front of this bracket, it is plus, it is regarded as plus, and all the terms come out as it is. 12xy minus 3yz minus 4zx plus 5xyz. Okay? And here minus is standing outside. When a negative term is, when a negative sign is outside, all the terms change their sign and come out. This you should know. Yes, you have learnt in algebra also. When the terms are, when there is a negative, when we subtract, that is why we were changing the sign of the terms in the column method also, we were changing the signs. Here also we are changing the sign. Plus 8xy comes out as minus 8xy. Plus 4yz comes out as minus 4yz. Plus 5zx comes out as minus 5zx. Okay? Now next step, what will they do now? Now they are all mixed up. Now all the like terms have to be seated together. Now see, first term is 12xy. Let's wait. Now what is another like term to this is? Minus 8xy. Minus 8xy. And when you are doing this, just keep cancelling this, that these terms have been taken. Lightly cancel it. Minus 3yz, any term which is yz, yz. So minus, we are just making them sit together. Don't put any bracket, children. That creates a lot of confusion. So you have considered these two terms, so I am cancelling this. Next is minus 4zx and minus 5zx. They belong to the same family. Minus 4zx minus 5zx. Then next is, left is 5xyz. So we have taken, cancelling is important to understand that you have taken all the terms. Now like members, xy are the like members. Plus 12 minus 8 is what? Plus 4. 4xy. Minus 3yz minus 4yz is what? Minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7yz. Minus 4zx minus 5zx is what? Minus 4 minus 5, that is minus 9zx, and this remains as it is, plus 5xyz. Clear? What are we doing in subtraction? We are changing the sign of the expression which has to be subtracted. Clear? Now there will be some questions like, if they give you subtract this minus this, just subtract this from this they have given. If it is just written this expression minus this expression, then this should be the first expression. This will be written at the top. But when they write this expression from, when this word from comes, please children, you have to be very careful. So the second expression is written before and the first expression is written afterwards. Clear? Yes, this is how we will do subtraction. Next is next is a question in your book. What must be subtracted from a given expression to give another expression? Let us take a simple thing here. What must be subtracted? We should go by small numbers here. What should be subtracted from 5 to get 7? What will we do? What should be subtracted from 5? Can something be subtracted from 5 to get 7? Or what should be subtracted if I take a simple number? What should be subtracted from 7 to get 5? What is to be subtracted? Can you tell me this? You will all say 2. Yes, because 7 minus 2 is 5. But how did you get this 2? Yes, how did you get this 2? This minus this. First expression minus the second expression. Okay? And in the same way, if I say what should be added to this to get 5, to get 12? What should be added to this to get 12? So you will say straight away, say 5. But how did you get this 5? You are subtracting 12 when we are 12 minus 7 is 5. And when we have to get this, what are we doing? We are subtracting first expression minus second. So what should be subtracted from this to get this expression also? First expression minus second expression will give you what should be subtracted. And when they are saying what should be added to 7 to get 12. So how did we get this 5? Yes, this is 12 minus 7. Now let us take a simple expression, children. What should be added to, now same thing we'll apply in algebra also with the expressions, algebraic expression. If I say 2xy plus 3yz minus 7, what should be subtracted? What should be subtracted from this expression, to get suppose minus 3xy minus yz plus 2. Now same type of question, what should be subtracted from this to get this? Think of that simple number. What should be subtracted from 7 to get 5? What should be subtracted? How did we get this? If I know this is 2, how did I get this 2, children? I got this 2 by subtracting first expression minus the second. To get this. To get what? This. This will be taken as like 5. And this is, suppose this is 7. So this minus this, that means you will subtract the first expression minus the second expression. This is how you will remember. And one more thing, whenever we have something from written, whatever comes after from should be written first. Yes, now 2xy plus 3yz minus 7 and minus, what are we doing? What should be subtracted from this? So minus 3xy minus yz plus 2. Clear? So 2xy, now let us open the bracket same way. Any method you can adopt with a column or the other one. So this minus comes because minus is standing outside. It comes at plus 3xy. This minus again comes at plus yz. Why? Because minus is standing and this comes at, all will change their signs and come out. 2xy and plus 3xy written together, 2xy plus 3xy, then 3yz and yz written together, plus 3yz plus yz written together. Let us keep cancelling the terms, and minus 7 minus 2 written together. So what should be subtracted? 2 plus 3 is 5xy plus 4yz minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9. Understood? Now if they would have asked you what should be added to this to get this. What is added to 5 to get 7? What is added to 5? 2 now. How did this 2 come? 7 minus 5. So in that case you would have subtracted, yes, 7 minus 5 is 2. Here what we have done, first expression minus second expression. There we will subtract second expression minus first expression. Okay, now do the exercise. Thank you.